air release gives you the ability to like have some air in here, and you could slowly push it and it will come out because it has little channels on the back. And if you take a piece, let's just even take the corner of this, we can show you. So if you can get in there, you see like little cross hatch marks. That's little channels for the air to go through. So some people will think like, oh, I'll never get bubbles because it's got air release. No, that's not true. You could still get bubbles with air release. Air release gives you the ability to take a bubble, and it's still hard. Like even if it's the bubbles in the middle, say I had a bubble right here, and to get it out and get that air out, like you have to press it slow. And a lot of people are like going like this, and it's like you have to work it slow. And all that air in that bubble has to go through those tiny little channels all the way out to the edge. So, you know, bubbles around here, you can work them out slow. A lot of times I'll peel it back up and just start going over it again. It's just sometimes easier, but you do have the ability, and that's what the air release will do for you.